Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to hide line numbers in Notepad++. First, open Notepad++. As you can see, the line number is displayed on the left side of the editor. To hide it, go to the Settings menu at the top, then click on Preferences. In the Preferences window, look at the left side and select Margins, Border, Edge. Now, on the right side, you will see a section called Line Number. Here you can see the display option, and it is currently enabled. To hide the line numbers, simply click the checkbox next to Display. The check mark will disappear. Now click the Close button at the bottom. You will return to the Notepad++ editor. As you can see, the line number on the left side has now disappeared. This means the line numbers are successfully hidden. If you want to show them again, simply go back to Settings, then Preferences, and select Margins, Border, Edge. Under the Line Number section, enable the Display option again, then close the Preferences window and the line numbers will appear again. So that's how you can easily hide or show line numbers in Notepad++. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other Notepad++ tutorials.